Hello everyone. So, what I was thinking is, I really want to help you. For example, some of the tenders that are being those are being floated in e-procurement portal in Assam State's website. Here are some of the tenders like skill employment and entrepreneurship and transport department and urban development department, welfare of plain tribes and backward. These four departments tenders specifically, if I want to discuss today. Uh, First, let me check what are the different tenders it is showing. One, skill employment and entrepreneurship department is showing three tenders basically. One is building management system for Assam Skill University. Then there is automobile engineering and electric vehicle technology, and the other one is semiconductor VLSI. So this closing date for these tenders are 25th April. Okay, so I think here I'm not interested. Since I'm not interested, I think I should go back and again go to the next one, that is transport department. Here this is showing how many, two tenders approximately right now. Yes, two tenders for which closing dates are 29th April for one, and for another one 8th May. And the first 29th April, um, that tender is a process for selection of most suitable of them to provide necessary solution for automated AI monitoring for municipal traffic and driver compliance using AI powered devices. Okay, this can be one project. This is an IT project, AI kind of AI project. Hmm. And the second one is request for proposal for management and operation and maintenance of gateway of Guwahati terminal under Assam Inland Waterways Company Limited. Maintenance of gateway of Assam terminal under uh, Inland Waterways and Company Limited. So let me check this one. Process for selection of most suitable of them to provide necessary solution for automated AI monitoring for municipal traffic and driver compliance using AI powered devices. This can be a very nice project. This is a very nice step. So let me check. I hope this would open. This has opened. File is being downloaded now. So
भैया एक प्लेट के कितने हुए?
आपके 200 रुपए हुए।
क्या मैं मोबाइल से कर सकती?
let me check. Yes, the same tender, what I was talking of, like for shortlisting of eligible vendors in participate in the request for proposal RFP, process for selection of most suitable of them to provide necessary solution for automated AI monitoring for municipal traffic and driver compliance using AI powered devices in public sector vehicles. So here the uh, tender is. So entire things we will read, but the basic important thing is what are the clauses, what are the software part, what requirements, what basic requirements are required there, kept there as provision or clause that we have to see. That is called eligibility criteria. And then scope of the work, that would actually, here it is, see, eligibility and qualification criteria from 3 to 3.2.1 till it will be till 3.2.3. See, for example, what are the requirements? To participate in this EOI, the proposed bidder must be a single entity registered under the Companies Act 1956. No JV oblique consortium allowed. Next one is the vendor should have a minimum of 5 years of experience in similar kinds of services, out of which at least 3 years in similar projects in India for and on behalf of government or international agencies. And the third one is the total average annual turnover of the proposed bidder in the last 3 financial years, 2021, 22, and then up till 2024, from advanced analytics, video-based analytics, and monitoring-based business should not be less than rupees 300 lakhs. That means 3 crore. The average annual turnover certificate as issued by the auditor chartered accountant should be submitted in the format enclosed as Annex 3. So EOI, that is called actually expression of interest. And then vendor will be willing to participate, should not. That means these are the criteria that they should not have. These are not very tough thing. And then submission of EOI proposal, and what is important, let me check. Declaration as per Annex 5. Yeah, address for submission is where you have to submit the hard copies is Commissioner of Transport, Assam Paribahan Bhavan, Jawahar Nagar, Khanapara, Guwahati 22. Non-submission of hard copies of the key documents within the due date and time, along with the processing fee of rupees 10,000, shall disqualify the applicant even if the proposal is submitted online. Okay, fine. Then these are the things: covering letter, applicant's date sheet in the format given under Annex 2, certificate issued by CA stating that the applicant has eligible average annual turnover of 3 crores in last 3 financial years, then power of attorney appointing the signatory, then declaration with respect to non-blacklisting and debarment in non-judicial stamp paper duly notarized, then work completion satisfaction certificate issued by that client, then self-attested photocopy of GST, then evaluation of shortlist. These are how they will evaluate the criteria they have given, and these are the formats given by them, from including covering letters to the annexers, everything. So this is what and the scope of the work. Now if we want to check scope of the work, we will find it. This is also very important to know scope of the work. How we will find this? Let me check where is scope of the work. Scope of the assignment 2.3. Okay, role and responsibility of the client, deliverables and timeline. Okay, the 2.3, then 2.4, 2.5, these 3 are important. Where is 2.3 now? Let me check. Scope of the assignment. The scope of this project entails a comprehensive 5-year plan to deploy, operate, and maintain an AI-powered monitoring system across 2,500 diverse fleets of public vehicles, such as police, PCRs, municipal vehicles, transport interceptors, and city/state buses. This system aims to enhance monitoring capabilities for various departments, including traffic, municipal, and transportation to ensure proactive governance and streamlined urban management. Below is a breakdown of the project scope. Broadly, projects shall be executed in two phases. One is 1000 vehicles, another is 1500 vehicles. The departments and use cases for each phase shall be mutually agreed upon and shared in the RFP. Installation and commissioning phase 1, 6 months. Deployment of AI powered devices, server installation in respective department premises, system testing and quality assurance. The next one is installation and commissioning phase, that is 2 for 6 months. Then deployment of AI powered devices, centralized data integration, real time reporting for department specific needs. Then grievance system integration, then operation and maintenance phase that is in 1 to 3 years. Continuous monitoring and reporting, regular system updates and enhancement, technical support and troubleshooting, annual performance review and optimization. But within this, whatever is written, the paragraphs, that is to minutely to be counted. Otherwise, this would not be completed. So here it is. Here it is. I think, I do not know how far you have got to know about this project, but I will be basically discussing about IT projects only, because this is what my core domain is right now. So if anyone asks me for something else, they can contact me, no problem. But because to cover entire different tenders would not be possible, and therefore my focus is into IT. So these projects actually needs homework. Here I have some other purpose also, for what I'm just trying to make it, a simple thing from a very big task. It's a project of 3 crores, and now I'm just trying to make it easier for people who want to understand, the students who want to understand, those people who are working into AI, those students basically, they are the people who actually would be coding on that part, right? So I think once they understand this better, then only they can give more inputs to that project, right? But uh, their version, there's these small students, the tiny little students, those who are actually learning now, if they are trying on this model, they are actually going to become the actual coders or AI programmers or whatever. So I think I have a provision for them actually, that is why I have kept this. So thank you so much. I think the project is discussed at least in a lump sum way, in a very brief way. That is what I wanted. Thank you so much.